Hey there, what's up? Welcome back to our channel, and this is the fifth video of our exciting Build Your Own Virtual Assistant series. And today in this video, we're going to automate a bot that we have created in our previous video by using Python Selenium module. So this is going to be a lot more fun and interesting. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Like I said, before getting started, let me tell you a thing that if you look at the bot that we have created in our previous video, then here I have asked what's my name, then it's going to print that your name is John, which is from the database. But it is also printing, I'm sorry, I cannot determine your name, which is from the chat GPT. Okay, so what it is doing is whenever I input something, then it's going to ask, or it's going to search for thing, it's going to search the thing in our database, and it's also going to ask to the chat GPT, which I don't want. Okay, I want it to check if the answer is in the database or not. If not, then only go and ask to the chat GPT. Like, we're going to add a if else statement. So let me tell you how we can do that. So let me go to my bot press window and let me open it. Okay, so here I have already set up that, so you can see and set up also. So let me tell you what I have done. Okay, so after that I have created a standard node, and in the standard node I have added a card called expression, and inside the expression, let me remove that level always, and in the condition I need to, like, the condition is like when the thing is not in our database, then only we want it to go towards the AI. Let me write exclamation mark, which tells if it is empty, then run, which is an object dot knowledge agent dot responded. So it was going to return either a true or a false value. So if it is true, then it's going towards the chat GPT, and if it is false, then it's going to restart over. Okay, so after that, what you need to do is connect this user input towards the upside of your new standard card, and then okay, so there are two ports. Okay, first you need to connect, let me cross it, and first you need to connect this down port towards this up port, and once you have done that, you will see two ports over here. Let me zoom, and two ports over here. The first port means if the condition is false, and second means true. Okay, so if the condition is true, if it is empty, then what we're going to do, we just need to connect it to chat GPT, and if it is false, if the answer is in our database, then we want to connect it to this. Okay, I have got that point, so let me close. Okay, now it's time for the automation. If you go on your workspace, then click on integration, then you will see that it is in web chat. So here you can edit your bot by writing a bot name, bot description, and a placeholder, and you can also style your bot by clicking on style set URL. Then you will be redirected to this page where you will see a message icon over here. Whenever you click, then your bot will appear. You can now style it according to your preference, and after doing that, you just need to copy the URL. Okay, so let me change its color. Okay, after changing, click on get style set URL, then you will get it, copy and paste it over here. So I have already done that, so let me skip that part and click on pre-configured, and here you can see this embed source. Copy it and then search for pen.new, and once you have done that, paste the link in this HTML. Okay, so paste the link, then you will see a chat icon over here. Okay, so you will see a chat icon over here by which you can talk to your virtual assistant. So let me click on inspect, and there is a frame inside this. Okay, inside this button, so click on this icon and click on this. Okay, so you can see this is the HTML document, and there is another document inside it. So first you need to click on this mouse icon over here, and then just it will allow you to select the element. So go and select this, put your mouse over that and click on, then you will see this type of thing will appear over here. This drop, you will see a lots of drop down click on body, then it will show you something. Then here again click on drop down, and here you will see a iframe tag, okay, with a src url. Now what we need is this src url. Just double click on that src url, then only the src url will be copied. Just press Ctrl C, then it will be copied, and Ctrl V and hit the enter. Click on leave, and then boom, you will be redirected to this page where you will see the chat icon and you can chat. Okay, so this is the website we're going to automate. Okay, so now I'm in my Python file. Okay, so now I have already automated that website, and I'm going to provide you the code and explain the code step by step. Okay, so this is the thing that I have done. Okay, so here these are all the modules that we're going to need, and whenever I provide you the code, then here you will see a url, and inside this, okay, inside this url you need to replace it with the actual url of this website. Okay, I have got that point. Okay, after doing so, then don't change anything, and now the thing you need is Chrome diver. How to install that? First open a new tab, click on this free icon, and then click on settings, and then go on about Chrome. Then you will see the version of your Chrome, okay, 119.0. okay, now just open a new tab and search for Chrome driver, and after searching for Chrome driver, just go on this website and just click on this. Okay, after that you will be redirected to this page. Just select the version. So mine is 119, so here you can see 119 over here. So I have Windows 64. Let me copy this URL and paste it over here and hit the enter. Then it's going to download. Let me open, and let me cut out this file and paste it in the AI folder. Okay, so now I have Chrome diver also. So let me remind you, the Chrome diver must be in the working directory, or you need to paste the URL over here where your Chrome diver is located. Okay, after that these are all the options, and if you enable this, then the Chrome will run without GUI. Basically you can't see, it will run in the background. Okay, after that let me explain every code over here. So we have a function called click on chat button. Basically what it does, it whenever you open the website, then you will see a button over here. First we want it to click. Okay, so we have its XPath over here, and what we have done is we have created a button variable, which, and we have given the XPath of that button variable. Means our driver is going to find that element by using this XPath, and once it has found that, it's going to click on that button. Okay, after clicking on that button, it will sleep for 2 seconds. So let me click, and then you will see a loader over here. Okay, so let me reload the website again, and let me click. Then you will see a loader over here. So what we want is to wait until the loader is invisible. So what I have done is I have created a loader variable. So the class of the loader is this. So we have, like, I told my driver to find this element with a class name bpw, like this, and I have created a variable called isVisual. If the loader is displayed on the screen, then I want to print initializing Eva, and if it is not visible, then I want to break this function. Okay, so after breaking that, or if it is not visible, then it will break. If it is, then it will pass and it will run again and again. Okay, and if it is not visible, then it will write Eva is initialized, and then we have a function called send query, which is going to take a parameter called text. Okay, so here we have defined the text area over here, which is this, and our driver is going to find it by id called input message, and it's going to send the key that we have passed in this parameter. Basically it is going to find that element and send the text that we have given. Okay, and then it's going to wait for 1 second, and it's going to click on the button. So basically whenever I write something, then a button will appear which is used to send the message, and it will click on it after a second. Okay, and then we have is bubble loader visual function. Okay, suppose whenever I say what's my name, and then you will see a bubble loader will be visible. So what we have done is we have done the code like this. Okay, so it's simple or similar like this. What we have done is if the bubble loader is visible, then pass, if not then break. Okay, so after that it is the main part. So we have now once we have sent message, then it's going to reply us. Okay, so what we have done is, first let me write another, how old am I, and okay, so let me click on inspect, and then you can see your name is John is the message that our AI have sent. So let me right click, click on copy, and click on copy full XPath, and let me paste it over here. Okay, so now I have the XPath of my first message. So if I write this dot text, then I'll get all the text stored inside that paragraph. Okay, which is your name is John. After that we have another response, you are 23 years old. So let me go and open its paragraph. Let me again, so you can see you are 23 years old paragraph. Right click, copy, and copy full XPath, and let me go and paste it over here, and let me comment it out. So here you will see all the thing is same except this number. It is 2 and it is 4. Basically the number is increasing by 2. So we want, like, whenever I send a new message, then the chat, then this deep number will be 6. Okay, so let me show you by what's my bad habit, and then it's going to print response. Okay, so you can see your bad habits is that you talk too much. Let me copy and copy full XPath, and you can see the number is 6. Okay, likewise it is changing by 2. Whenever I write a new message, then it is going to increase the number, and the next one will be 8. So what we're going to do is just creating a chat number variable. Okay, we have set it to the global. Okay, so now we can use it from any functions. After that we have sleep our program for 1 second, means it will wait for 1 second, and we have set up a p variable which is going to find the element. All the thing is same except in the deep number we have inserted the chat number. Okay, after that it's going to print eva, and it's going to print p.text, which will print all the text stored inside that paragraph, and we have this chat number variable which is going to be increased by 2. Now the chat number variable is 2, so here it will be 2, and 2 plus 2 will be 4, and the 4 will be stored, and again 4 plus 4 will be like 4 plus 2 will be 6, and then it's going to store the 6. After that it's going to return p.text. Okay, so now here let me control slash, and here what we have done is we have just click on chat button, means it's going to click, open the website and click on chat button, and then we have created a function AI brain where it will create a query variable where you need to enter something. Okay, it will ask, and it's going to call the send query function by passing this query. So it's going to send the message, and it will check if the loader is visible or not, and if not, then it's going to return data and send it to us. Okay, So now after that our bot has been ready. Okay, so let me comment it out. And now, okay, so in the main.py, first what you need to do is this. I have named this file bot-scrapper.py. You can name anything but write from in your file name. My file name is bot-scrapper, and here you need to write import star, by which all the functions inside our bot scrapper will be imported in our main file. Okay, after that you don't need to do anything, just go below, and here you need to right click on chat button function, which is from that bot scrapper, which is going to click on that chat, and we are going to set a while true loop because we want our bot to run endlessly. Okay, after that we have set up a query variable where it's going to take command in lower, and then it's going to print that, and it's going to send the query, and it's going to check if the loader is visible or not. And then we have stored the response in like we have stored the response given by the AI in a response variable, and then we have make our AI to speak it out. Okay, I have got the point, so let me go, and you can delete it also, but I'll comment it out. Okay, so let me remove this take command, and instead of take command let me write input. So let me run because there. Okay, so I have used input because to test it, so you can use take command function to make it to response by listening your voice. Okay, so for the testing purpose I have taken input, so it's writing you, and here let me write what's my name, and see it's going to send the message. Okay, so now you can see Eva is typing, which means the bubble loader is visible, and when it's done it's going to write your name is John.
Your name is John.
Now we have successfully automated our Eva using Python. Okay, so the code will be in the description, you can use it. So let me write what's my age, and let me wait for a while. Your age is 23.
Your age is 23.
Okay, so now it's working. Likewise, instead of input you can use take command dot lower. So take command is the function which will allow us to which will use our microphone to recognize the voice and convert it into the text that we have created in our, I think, third video. And let me write lower, which is used to convert the string into lower. Okay, so now we have done. So let me show you a demo by speaking. Let me show you side by side. What's my name? And you can see that it is working absolutely fine.
Your name is John.
What is the capital of France? And now you can see the ChatGPT is not responding us. Okay,
The capital of France is Paris.
Okay, so it is working. So you can enable this if you want it to run without any like GUI. Okay, so it will run in the background. So yeah, that's much for this today's video. I'll share the file in the description, you can check it out, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.